Anyway, guys, my brother was saying to try this pizza place across the road from where we're staying. We're staying in where are we staying, sis?
In Cell.
Okay, we're staying in Insel Hotel. All right, and he said to try the pizza across the road because he said it's really lovely. And then because he said they sell luau pizza, right? So I thought, luau pizza doesn't sound really appetizing to me. So I said, I will try half supreme and half luau. And then he said, oh, you're gonna regret it because you're gonna wish you had a whole luau pizza. And I said, oh, okay, then we might get a whole one. But no, I love supreme. I love supreme. Anyway, guys, have a looky to everyone that's traveling around on their day today. People are doing their own thing. That girl going to school. That taxi driver's doing its job. And their family just went past. Oh, yep, green light for us. Fala said, OMG, I went flying backwards. And the can came off the thing that oh, I saw my life flash before my very sexy eyes. Let's see.
Petrol station for Faye.
Okay. I gotta start talking and look for the petrol station. Stop talking. Oh my gosh. Where?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay. Oh yeah, okay. Oh, Speedy Gonzales. Oh, Speedy Gonzales.
On the same way.
Yeah, you got to the wrong side, sis.
Go to this.
Oh, watch out. Oh, shivers. Oh no, the taxi driver's taking it. Oh my. Unleaded, okay. Oh, crazy driver here. Guys. Okay. Go in the front, sis. Just listen to the boy. Yeah. He must pull a common boy. See, the pizza boy. I don't know. Down the bottom, man. Yeah, down the bottom. Samoa common boy. The party may put your yellow make color. I don't know. It's the one road. Oh, thank you. Thanks. Okay. Yes, I can just see the trees over. Say, love it. Have a good day, yeah? Yeah. I've had a good day since I've seen you, young lady. And I said, and I go, yes, thank you. What did you say? Oh, I hear some hating coming out. What did you say, sis? I thought you said, young lady. Young Ala, yeah. Oh, do you think I need credit?
Even me with a credit.
Oh, I don't know, because I'm still able to watch, you know, like songs on my phone and get on Facebook. Sky Blue. She's Sky Blue and I'm just a cell. Flossie, you have to do that just a cell dance. I don't know, man. Sis, at your own. Oh yeah, go sis, go fast and furious. Oh, lucky you don't go fast and furious. There was people crossing. Yeah. We're back in town, guys. Back in Apia. Oh, New Zealand High Commission.
Kifialu le millennium, millennia, April,
Oh man, it might take a long time. Can't we do that tomorrow?
yeah.
Yeah, we just go and do what you wanted to do, like, you know.
Makeki.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know that market near the fish shop, sis? Because that's where they sell, you know. No, no, no. You know where I got my my yellow balava that April once? It's from the other place, but I was thinking I just want to go and get the old lady a nice little mo'o, please.
Oh, I don't think over here, but what goes the shop or this market?
Anyway, that one, that orange one that April was talking about, there's quite a lot of them around.
I designed that I want to but you can look at I do this because I don't like that kind of
Follow, sis. Oh well, you never know. Someone might come out. We're always lucky with car parks. We get there right on time, and it's like, you know, an angel had saved us the car park. You watch. We gotta get a car park. Spotted that bus, by the way. Spotted that bus. 2 buses. So I get 2 spotters, and my sister gets nothing. She doesn't have a spotter. Okay. You watch, you watch. We're gonna find a park. See, there's one there, but we can't. Oh, you wanna go down there? Oh yeah. Which one? Oh, all the way over there. Oh yeah. Is this a car park? No. Okay. Listen, please do not sing. You're not the Mariah Carey in this car. I am. Yeah, I'm gonna miss you. Oh, Spotto. Coming out, sis. That white car. But watch out behind you. There. That taxi. Yeah, let the taxi come up first. Hey! Oh, now you want to come up, but it's handicapped, sis, so don't worry about it.
Excuse me?
Yeah, honey. Oh, excuse me. We just try and park. Sorry about that. Thank you. Yep. Yeah, see my park. Okay. Straighten up, sis. All you have to do is come over, but watch out, there's someone behind us. You just... No, just come over here and we'll fit. You're not... Well, you... You know what? Look, people, look at this lady. She has to go back and get her license.
This lady here, she can't drive us, but she always tell me what to do on the road.
I know, you guys know
call
that.
the police.
So we're just going to go back into the market, guys, just to buy my mama a dress. Okay.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. We'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands,
Okay, love it. Yeah, so sweet, sweet. Hello, hello, cara. Okay, thank you.
Pudding shake.
Oh, you're sorry.
Yeah, pudding shake.
Okay, thank you.
James.
Yeah. Yeah. Say, love it. Have a good day. Yeah. Cuidado, lo continue now, lad. Ni mas puro ah. Okay, okay. May lang may makapagod mo ah. Oh, wow, what happened? Oh, sorry, sorry. Ni mas puro ah.